Italy. Italy is a country in Europe along the Mediterranean Sea. It is shaped like a boot. Rome is its capital. Visit the ancient Colosseum and Roman Forum. Or just walk around, up and down, its 9 hills. Italy is famous for its food, especially pasta and pizza. Marco Polo brought them back from China. Visit Naples for real pizza napolitano. Italians are passionate about football and have won the World Cup several times. Opera is famous in Italy. Caruso and Pavarotti are 2 famous Italian opera singers. In 1492, Columbus sailed the ocean blue. Did you know he was Italian? America is also named after an Italian, Amerigo Vespucci. Many Italians immigrated to America throughout the 20th century. You'll find many Italians throughout America. Italy is infamous for its gangsters and mafia, especially in Sicily. Have you seen the movie, The Godfather? Italy has high mountains in the northern Alps, the Dolomites, also through its center, the Apennines. It also is earthquake-prone. The earliest Italians were the Romans who ruled a vast empire. But they spoke Latin, not Italian. Benito Mussolini, El Duce, was a fascist dictator who ruled Italy and allied with Nazi Germany in World War II. Milan is the fashion capital of Italy and the world. It is also Italy's most wealthiest and most expensive city. Tuscany is a romantic land of sun, wine, and food. It is visited by many tourists annually. Venice is a city of canals. You can take a gondola and travel around the city. It's a city of romance. Vesuvius, a volcano near Naples, exploded in AD 79, killing the population of the city of Pompeii. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is a famous tourist attraction. It leans because of the soft ground under its foundation. Romeo and Juliet is a famous play of Shakespeare set in Verona, Italy. Millions visit the city and their balcony. The Vatican is a walled city in Rome which is the headquarters of the Roman Catholic Church and the Pope. Come visit friendly Italy. You'll love it. And not just the food,